This is another one of these that came in. He actually came in for transom work, and when it came in, he added a whole bunch of stuff onto it, and we understand now. I guess this is why we get so far behind, is while it's here, can you? Trying to make the drive go down was one of the first things, and that trim rod is the wrong one. It's just bizarre, and it's loose, so it's been rubbing on this right here, and so it's causing it to not want to go up and down. Someone's taken off the 50 amp breaker on there. It wasn't throttling up the way it was supposed to. It might have had something to do with the fact that there's no nut on that. Oh yeah, stud's broken out of the top of the carburetor for the flame arrestor. Steering pin's about out of there. That would have been bad if it would have popped out, but it's been that way because, well, maybe not. Tab's not bent down all the way.
The wires over here going into the trim pump, you can see where the green and blue is tied together. So down is up and up is down when you trim it.
Yeah, these got the trim wired backwards. Up is down and down is up. Anything else you see exciting?
He wants that fuse on the starter changed.
Oh yeah, he wants to put a fusible link on the starter. You can't even see the starter. So anyway, we're working on it.